So VW Golf, as we mentioned, new into stock. Very, very, very nice. I think you could argue that that's a mint condition car for the age. I mean, it's a true representation of the mileage. 24,000 mile Volkswagen Golf. So really pleased to have this come in. Nice car to be able to retail in stock. Front and rear parking sensors. Beautiful condition inside and out, as you'd expect. I mean, Volkswagen Golf owners generally look after their cars, but they're not all cared for. 24,000 miles, 6-speed manual, air condition, media stereo, cruise control there, auto lights, multifunction, so trip computer, onboard computer, Bluetooth phone, auxiliary inputs, front and rear park, so you've got parking sensor there, deactivation, electric windows, heated electric mirrors, remote locking, got the media connection and the lead. Original bottle opener came in the Volkswagens, came in the Golfs. Never normally see that there, do you? Interior trim is just as you'd expect. It's like a new car inside, 24,000 miles. Never smoked in, obviously no pets. Hardly used, I would say, in the rear. Wheels are all good, wheels are all in very, very good condition. The body's immaculate. Get new number plates fitted on the car, all serviced and MOT'd. I mean, you can't really appreciate the condition of the car, but I'm sure from the video and the pictures you'll see, it had one tiny little scuff on the lower part of the bumper, which, I mean, on a lot of cars I think you probably wouldn't go to the trouble of painting, but we have had that little blemish repaired and painted just to bring the car up to scratch, up to 100% really. As I say, on slightly older or low, on lower value, higher mileage, it's the sort of thing you'd probably polish and say that's age related wear, but we just wanted to present this car in the best possible way, which I think is doing it justice really. GAW Automotive, based in Taper and Norwich. Volkswagen Golf on sale live on the internet today. The car is physically here on site, so we'll be going on site. Had loads of messages and bits of interest, so we will put this video on live, and I do expect to probably deal with quite a few customers on it, and expect to sell it quite quickly. GAW Automotive, family business with family values.